Hello everyone, my name is Isabella Gayaden. Many people like tea. It's not something weird, it's not something new. Tea is popular around the world. It's just that tea isn't popular here in the Philippines, and I really think that it should be. Many know the English stereotype of drinking tea, darling, and I understand their love for tea. Tea is nice, tea is good, and it's just amazing how such a drink can come in so many flavors and can come from a bush, I guess. The wonders of tea, really, it just makes you ask, what is tea? What are the types of tea? How do you even make tea? Well, lucky for you, this video is just about to answer those questions. But first, we need to know what tea really is. The simple answer to that question is that tea is a flavored beverage. A harder answer to that question is that tea is a common beverage made from hot water and leaves called Camellia sinensis. This is what Camellia sinensis looks like here. When we look at a brief history of tea, we can see that China, India, Burma, and Thailand are native regions for Camellia sinensis. And according to a Chinese legend, Shennong, or divine farmer, the father of agriculture, is the one who first discovered tea. As the story goes on, Shennong decided to rest one day under a camellia tree with a pot of boiled water. Surely enough, dried leaves floated down into the water and infused, creating the first pot of tea. Shennong then named this tea cha in Mandarin Chinese, and since Shennong's discovery, tea is now cultivated and enjoyed around the world. Tea became so popular around the globe that it even became a culture. People call this tea culture, but we really won't focus on that topic at all. When you want to read about it, you can read it here. There's a picture. It's so amazing. It has detailed things about the cultures of tea cultures of different countries, and it's so amazing how a drink can be a part of somebody's culture. Tea became popular due to its caffeine, but tea is also packed with antioxidants and chemicals such as polyphenols or L-theanine and catechins that help you fortify the immune system. There are a lot of health benefits to tea, medicinal teas. We can look at the picture here. I got it from the internet. That talks about different benefits for different types of teas, and we're going to be tackling 3 of those teas because we're going to be tasting them. The first tea is the chamomile tea, the green tea, and then the black tea, which is my personal favorite. The health benefits of green tea are, first, antioxidants may interfere with growth of bladder, breast, lung, pancreatic, and colorectal cancers. It, second, prevents clogging of the arteries and helps with the heart and cardiovascular difficulties by improving cholesterol. Third, it reduces the risk of stroke. Fourth, reduces the risk of neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. And fifth, fluoride content can help prevent tooth decay. Okay, black tea health benefits is, first, may protect lungs from damage caused by exposure to cigarette smoke, so don't smoke, kids, or people for the matter. Second, may reduce risk of stroke. Third, contains theophylline, which increases blood flow in the capillaries and helps the human body maintain a normal blood pressure. Fourth, can also expand the airways, making breathing easier for asthmatics. Um, Now we're gonna go to chamomile tea. Chamomile tea. Um, First, the health benefits of it is first, antioxidants may help prevent complications from diabetes like loss of vision, nerve, and kidney damage. Second, stunts growth of cancer cells. Third, helps stop gastrointestinal inflammation, prevent gas, and reduces stomach cramps. Fourth, helps people sleep. It's often used as a part of treatment for insomnia. Different teas come in different instructions, and we are using the black tea. In this demonstration, we're gonna show how to make black tea, and we have a little cute kettle that we are gonna put our tea in. First, you're gonna need your materials. You need loose leaf tea, you need tea kettle, hot water, a strainer, or a tea bag. That really depends on what you have, and you need cups. Duh. In the instructions of our tea bag, 1 teaspoon of our loose leaf black tea is equal to 1 cup of hot water. And so if you're gonna make loose leaf black tea for 5 people, you're gonna need 5 cups of hot water. First you're gonna do is put the water in the tea kettle. And after that, we're gonna scoop up some black tea. In this demonstration, we use 5 cups of water, so you're gonna need 5 teaspoons of black tea. And after that, you're gonna put the lid on top of the kettle and wait for 3 to 5 minutes and let it sit. And after that, you're gonna have some amazing black tea. You can add some milk and sugar in it, like how Englishmen do, and it's gonna be amazing. Me and my sister have been wanting this tea review because she has said before that she's been researching about what type of tea that she wants, and she doesn't know what type of tea she wants to get because there aren't any tea reviews, and I think this would be really helpful if you consider buying loose leaf tea. We rate these teas from 1 to 5, 1 being I don't really like this, and 5 being I really like this. The first tea we tried is raspberry, strawberry, and loganberry tea.
This is the first one. Strawberry, strawberry, raspberry, and loganberry.
It's very nice. It has a pink color.
Strawberry, raspberry, and logan tea. Look. Okay.
And we've both rated this 4 out of 5. The second tea we tried is chamomile, vanilla, and honey tea.
Chamomile, honey, and vanilla.
Hindi ko na smell yun. Kasi mo ka chamomile?
Wait, wait. Oh, wait.
Lemon ginger.
Saan naman yung smell? I'll take three.
Chamomile. Chamomile. 1/5.
We don't really like it.
Dito.
Where should?
Should daot.
Yeah.
Dito ko. Bro, kasi ka din ni chamomile, di ba?
Ako siya ito. Ako siya
May
ito.
chamomile daw.
Never mind. Ako ito. Ako
Sige, maglola. Sige, magsulay. No?
So yeah.
Thanks.
Chamomile.
So we gave it a 1.5 out of 5.
A 1 sa iya half and a 2 ako. 1.5 out of 5.
The third tea we tried is sencha green tea.
So we're gonna start with the loose leaf tea. Sencha green tea. Why is it called sencha green?
The Japanese tea or from Japan. Styles of the style of how it was made or prepared. The style is called sencha. There are other styles. Per se, it's the same type of leaf, and then on different styles are how they dried them.
I personally do not like this.
I still don't like the taste of this. This is my favorite.
And I gave this a 1 out of 5, and my sister gave it a 5 out of 5.
I think green tea my favorite.
I don't.
Or the black tea is my favorite.
Black tea. Black tea is mine.
The fourth tea we tried is my personal favorite, black tea.
Sunod na. Wala na nagkamay.
Kaya na. Okay. We're gonna add milk. Gamin na ako milk. Oh. I rated this a 5 out of 5, obviously, and my sister rated this a 3. The fifth and the last tea we've tried is jasmine tea.
Chamomile. Chamomile. Jasmine. This is jasmine tea. Yeah. We're sipping.
I did not really like this. It had some sort of taste like the chamomile one. And I rated this 2 out of 5, and my sister rated this 4 out of 5.
Ako ito.
Part 4.
Kaya.
So in this video, we've learned about what tea is, the history of tea, how to make loose leaf black tea, and review on 5 different types of tea. Tea, as we all know, is a flavored beverage, and it can be made by tea kettle or just in your cup. That depends on whether it's a tea bag or loose leaf tea. Hopefully, you guys learned a lot of this, and thank you. Really had a lot of fun filming this, and at times we were stressed, and hopefully, you liked this video. Um, hopefully, I get a good score on this